we could use them with the outside physical and social environment. But this would be an opportunity to present a way that we look and only explore the social environment and the interpersonal environment.
This space, can be sort of like ours. I mean, we can do whatever we want.
The possibilities of sort of group behavior as we know it, to decide something like that. Maybe we ought to let it happen, which might be more natural since the inception of this idea.
We were really there were all these kind of emotional feelings inside of ourselves, and a lot of it was manifested in certain respects as being very negative vibrations.
Here, like how each one of us feels, like when we kind of relate to the group.
The friction within us. In other words, I feel the same way Marlo feels or Robert feels. In other words, just getting...
How do you think the other person feels, or how do you think other people feel?
Click, 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 and it gives me pleasure to harmoniously be able to do that. But this group seems to be dedicated to something different than that. And as I perceive its really inner values, it's trying to do something that I don't know how to do either. So I just get pissed off when there's hypocrisy, and I don't see the group disharmony. In fact, I'd like to see more of the disharmony.
My deck is so synthetic that you don't really get what they believe. Who's they? Who are you? Well, I have something to really relate to. I know that when I say something, that I have a life cycle.
Oh, yeah, another time.
You think they're going to help out?
Oh, they were beautiful.
Really beautiful, and I'd like to take them. I thought you hired for it. Well, they were pretty familiar with start with a little therapeutic.
Different people on two different people at I believe that we should talk about Aspen and do therapy in relation to what we're all going to do there and how we're going to get back.
The people who I believe in myself.
I believe in the world, in the universe. I believe that I'm part of it in a way that I have to direct my energy towards understanding it. I mean, towards understanding how it works.
For what reason?
A responsibility. It's a responsibility. I believe that I'm responsible
To who?
to the world and the universe.
You believe, you feel responsible to the world.
Then you feel responsibility to my species, kind of, I guess, and to all species.
Yeah.
In a sense, if I understand it, then I become it. Which means I become God, which is my destiny, which is every human's destiny, which is everything in the universe's destiny, because it all is one. It's all God.
The real beginning to break down the ineffective, systems and patterns that existed. And I think maybe together we could work towards, transcending the situation that we found ourselves in and have been in since that time.
Tremendous delights and, on the other hand, discontents and frustrations and accepting a lot less than I would be happy with, or that I think that all of us together could realize and achieve.
This much, but not anymore.
You understand what this group is about. What the fuck is it, what? I don't even know how to ask it at this point, but what are you doing?
But just trying to kind of learn how to flow with it. For me, when man, sort of flows with the universe, man is at one with the universe. It is one. I'm trying to learn how Los Angeles flows. Now that's an unnatural system, but that's also another system you can learn about and at least flow within that.
Well, this easy way that you talk.
Whenever I'm dealing with any kind of machinery or any kind of a thing, I have no preconceptions in mind. I just basically just keep trying to
That's it right there, man.
No preconceptions.
That one doesn't ring true for me. I think it's a neat method. I've come to that conclusion time after time, mostly with Roger's help in trying to understand you. It's interesting what you're trying to do.